The National Institutes of Health, Institute of Clinical Epidemiology, which currently I'm directing in where the health promotion program is under, is privileged to collaborate with the Alliance of Health Policy and Systems Research, the Department of Health, the Department of Education, and all the other government agencies, local implementers, and civil society partners that I've called out in this collective effort to address adolescent health. Adolescence is a unique stage in human development where rapid physical, cognitive, and psychosocial development happens. So to grow and develop in good health, the adolescents need information including age-appropriate, comprehensive sexuality education, opportunities to develop life skills, health services that are acceptable, appropriate, effective, and safe. So, meron bang adolescents dito? Or lahat? Ayan. Meron. So, may representation. Dapat may representation ng adolescent population, I think, in this forum. So, this project, Uplift Adolescents, enhancing community HPV immunization for Filipino adolescents through health policy and systems research, is one opportunity to promote healthy behaviors and preventive services for our adolescents. Through this initiative, I look forward to the community-level factors influencing HPV vaccination uptake among Filipino adolescents that will be identified as you go through your panel discussion. I look forward also to the practical systems-informed solutions that will be developed to promote equitable access to the HPV vaccine.